Hey there, business owner. Let's talk about why local marketing is so important. As a small business, your biggest advantage is being a part of the community. But if people in your area can't find you online, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Did you know that over 46% of all Google searches are looking for local information? That means your potential customers are out there right now searching for services like yours. This course is all about helping you show up where it counts. We know small business owners wear a lot of hats and marketing often gets pushed to the bottom of the list. That's why this course is designed to be quick, easy to follow, and packed with strategies tailored for service-based businesses. Whether you're new to marketing or just looking for better results, you walk away with practical steps to attract more customers and grow your business. So what makes this course different from all other marketing advice out there? It's built specifically for small business owners in the service industries. I get that you don't have endless time, money, or resources to throw at marketing. That's why this course focuses on what works. Practical, actionable tips you can implement right away without feeling overwhelmed. In just 1 week, you'll have a clear strategy to boost your local visibility, build trust with your community, and start turning online clicks into paying customers. You'll also gain confidence in your marketing, knowing you're focusing on the right things to grow your business. So what are you waiting for? Your local market's waiting for you to shine. Join thousands of small business owners who are already taking control of their marketing, seeing real results. Sign up today for free, and let's get started.